Okay, so I told you guys I was going to do this problem here on the video. So in the diagram provided, the white circle has a diameter of 60 millimeters and the green circle has an additional 3 millimeters added to the radius. What is the area of just the green circle in terms of pi? So the first thing that you have to do is figure out what the area equation is. So in this case, it's going to be A equals pi r squared. And we're going to fill in what we already know, which we're trying to figure out the area. Pi is in terms of pi, so we just can leave that the same. And then the radius, in this case, for the white circle, we're going to do this for the white circle first. We know 60 millimeters is the diameter, which also says it right here, which the half of that is going to be 30 millimeters. So now, as puzzle pieces, I'm just going to plug this in. A equals, we're going to do pi, and then 30 times 30 millimeters squared. So I've already done the math, but 30 times 30 is going to end up giving us 900. Okay. So that is for the white circle. Now I'm going to leave this alone for the moment because we need to figure out also the area for the green circle. So same thing, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to move it down so that way we can see both. And so on this one, we're going to do, again, we know that the same equation as this one. Okay, then the area is what we're trying to find. Pi stays the same. Now the radius in this one, if you look carefully, the question says the green circle has an additional 3 millimeters added to the radius, so not the diameter, which we already had there. So we know 30 is half of these 60 millimeters, so we need to add 3 more, so 30 plus 3, which is just going to give us a radius of 33 millimeters. So in our equation, it's just going to look like this. And then when you do 33 times 33, it's going to end up giving you 1089. So I'm just going to put that in my equation. Okay. And so now we have the area in terms of pi for the white circle and for the green circle. So we just need to find out what the area of the green circle is. So to do that, you're just going to do the difference. So I'm going to take 1089 and subtract, I'm sorry, I need that more, 900. Should we do that? It gives you 189 millimeters squared. So our answer is going to be 189 millimeters squared pi, or pi times. I'm just going to put all my equation. And that's literally my answer. It wants it in terms of pi, which means we're not going to multiply it by pi. If it did ask you to do that, you can do the same thing, except in the last step right here, all you'd have to do is 3.14 times 189 millimeters, and that would give you your answer. So our answer for this one is 189 millimeters squared.